Eyes are the mirror of soul and said to be a portal to another place full of magic and mystery. A very good evening, everyone. I welcome you all to the Platinum Jubilee celebration of SCV Medical College organized by the Department of Ophthalmology. I thank you for spending your precious time with us and sincerely hope that this evening becomes a memorable one. We are fortunate to witness this landmark of SCB in person. So let's celebrate and make memories for a lifetime.
I extend a very warm welcome to our Vice Principal Madam, Dr. Geeta Sahu. I welcome our Chief Guest, Professor Dr. Biswambar Rajguru Sir, and our guest of honor, Professor Dr. Subrat Kumar Behera, and invite them on the dais. I request our HOD, Professor Dr. Subhabrata Parida, to kindly accompany the dignitaries on the dais. I request our residents to welcome the dignitaries with a token of our love and appreciation. Our proficient faculty shall now invoke Ma Saraswati with their mesmerizing voices to take us from darkness to light, presenting the Saraswati Vandana, the holy initiate.
Om Tamsoma Jyotirgamaya Mapani Pani Tamsoma Jyotirgamaya Pani Saga Sa Tamsoma Jyotirgamaya अज्ञानता से हमें तार अधिकार दे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे 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 माँ, हमें तार दे माँ, हमें तार दे माँ।
Thank you for lighting up the hearts with Vandana. It's my privilege to invite Vice Principal Professor Dr. Geeta Sahu to kindly address the gathering.
Respected Dean and Principal Sir, Professor Dattiswar Hatta Sir, present with us today. Respected Chief Guest, Professor Rajguru Sir, our guest of honor today, Professor Subrat Behra Sir, and our Professor Ophthalmology Madam, Subhavrata Parida Madam, all the senior professors who have taken out their time to come and attend this Platinum Jubilee celebration today. All the other senior faculties and other faculties, as well as the students and all our online viewers. On behalf of our Dean and Principal, sir, I welcome you all to this Platinum Jubilee celebration. You all must be aware that this Platinum Jubilee celebration has been going on since several months, to say, starting with the pre-Platinum Jubilee CMEs, and now all the departments have been celebrating their own day of 75 for 75 Platinum Jubilee celebrations. It is indeed a proud honor and privilege for us that all the senior faculties of the departments are taking out their time and coming here to participate in this 75 for 75 Platinum Jubilee celebration of SCB Medical College, Cuttack. It is because of the senior teachers' effort that this SCB Medical College is now in the place where it is today. So we are indeed thankful to all our senior teachers, as well as all the faculties who have been working now also day in and day out, giving their full-fledged effort to the education of the medical students here, as well as to the clinical practice. So indeed, I welcome you all today to participate in this Platinum Jubilee celebration of Ophthalmology Department, which I'm sure our young and energetic, dynamic HOD of Ophthalmology must have also organized a very good entertainment program for you all as well by their faculties and students of the department. So we'll go through their past and future, whatever the ophthalmology department has been in this SCB Medical College today. After that, we'll definitely see their charismatic performance of today. So thank you all. Please enjoy and participate with us. And also, I will, on behalf of our Dean and Principal, sir, I would like to invite all the senior faculties and other members, all faculties who are watching today to participate in our Platinum Jubilee celebration of SCB, which is to be organized in November 26, 2028. So I welcome you all again. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Now I request our HOD, Professor Dr. Subhabrata Parida, to deliver the welcome address.
Thank you, Shraddha. A very good evening and a warm welcome to all of you. As our institute, SCB Medical College Hospital, Cuttack, completed 75 years of its being, its celebration gives us a chance to recall the marvelous ways in which it has been fulfilling its mission of imparting education, treating millions of patients, and contributing to advancement in medical practice. A warm greetings to our most loved Dean and Principal, Professor Dr. Datteswar Hota. This 75 days of celebration is his brainchild. It has brought a fresh vibe inside our campus. Not only that, it has definitely improved our interpersonal relationship to a great extent and had distressed us in this COVID era. I extend a note of thanks to our chief guest, Professor Dr. Viswambara Rajguru, who happens to be the first batch of this medical college. He remained as head of the department for 10 years and had brought numerous changes to our state ophthalmology. Also, I thank our guest of honor, Professor Dr. Subrat Kumar Behera, head of the department otolaryngology, for accepting our invitation. We are honored to have you all here, sir. I would also like to offer my regards, my gratitude to the senior past faculties of our department sitting in the front row. I bow my head in front of you all, for whom we all are enjoying the tall building at the entrance of the Ranihat Gate called Regional Institute of Ophthalmology, Cuttack. This RIO building not only caters ophthalmology patients, but it stands as a savior for our authorities to combat all epidemics and pandemics like dengue, swine flu, COVID, etc. time to time. So I must take the opportunity of this forum to request our authority to help this building to cater ophthalmology and only ophthalmology, so that we can march forward to prove it and to make it recognized as one amongst the RIOs in our country. More closer to our Apex Institute, that is RP Center, AIIMS, Delhi, when we all are heading towards AIIMS Plus. Our department not only moved from one building to another since its inception from 1946 till date, but it has experienced vast changes in infrastructure, technology, skill, patient management, imparting training, etc. We have come way ahead of managing refractive errors, from just dispensing a pair of glasses to intraocular phakic contact lenses to treat high refractive errors on today. Cataract surgery, where decades before we used to admit patients for 7 days, more than 7 days, both eye bandaged, catheterized. On today, what we are doing topical clear corneal phacoemulsification with toric multifocal lenses, where patients gets off from the OT table and goes straight to attend his office. This is the vast changes we have come across. Not only refraction or cataract, but all other subspecialties like vitreoretina, oculoplasty, squint, pediatric ophthalmology, glaucoma, cornea, in all every subspecialty, we have come way ahead, spreading smile and confidence among our patients. Dear all, I will like to inform you that our present faculties and students of RIO are not only highly skilled in their professional work, they are equally talented in cultural art too. I promise all of you that you all will remain glued to your seats to enjoy the cultural extravaganza brought by our faculties and students. So all of you, please be with us, enjoy the evening and make it a memorable one. I would like to conclude my talk here saying, love your eyes being the theme of this year World Sight Day. So again, I will say, love your eyes and enjoy all the colors in your life. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. I welcome our honorable guest of honor, Professor Dr. Subrat Kumar Behera, Head of the Department of ENT, SCB, to address the esteemed gathering. Please, sir.
Respected Dean and Principal, Professor Datteswar Hota, respected Chief Guest of the evening, Professor Rai Guru, and Professor Subrat Parida, Head of the Department of Ophthalmology, senior retired professors of the Department of Ophthalmology, colleagues and juniors. It is indeed a great privilege for me to participate in the Platinum Jubilee function conducted on behalf of the Department of Ophthalmology. The idea and structure of this unique function, as conceived by our Dean and his team, is commendable. Hence, my special thanks to him. Our retired teachers made us for what we are, and now, what we are now, we acquired both the science and the arts of the subject from them. They not only taught us the subject, but made us learn the value of morality and ethics through their own way of life. For this, I would express my humble gratitude to them. Department of Ophthalmology and ENT are geographically placed close from the earlier time. Also, we are anatomically close. And both our departments have worked together on many occasions, and recently we are treating the cases of mucormycosis together. I thank Professor Parida for the cooperation and advice in managing those cases. Also, this Platinum Jubilee has helped to look into the artistic side of the SCBNs, students and teachers alike. This is creating an environment of relaxation for which, for a while, away from the daily load of the work. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, sir. It's a matter of great pride to be a part of such elite institute, where we got teachers whose teaching goes beyond classroom. We are grateful for their presence tonight. This Platinum Jubilee celebration has given us a rare opportunity to felicitate the faculties who shaped our department and medical college in innumerable ways. I request Professor Dr. Datteswar Hota sir, Professor Dr. Geeta Sahu, Professor Dr. Subhabrata Parida, and Professor Dr. Subrat Behera to do the honors and felicitate Professor Biswambar Rajguru. Sir, the Dean of Ophthalmology, the senior most ophthalmologist of the state, also happens to be the first batch of this institution. He carried the legacy of late Professor Mahendra Chandra Mishra. Professor Rajguru has immense contribution in the development of ophthalmology in this state in all spheres. He served as the head of Department of Ophthalmology from 1968 to 1970 honor. It's a great honor to felicitate you, sir.
I would now request our chief guest, Professor Dr. Biswambar Rajguru sir, to share his thoughts on this day and enlighten us with his words of wisdom.
Professor Parida, Professor Behra, respected principal and friends. Well, at the outset, I am very nervous because you know, when I was here as a teacher and now when Professor Parida is in charge, there is a hell and heaven difference. I really feel that why not I become a student and enjoy all the benefits of the present generation. Well, I congratulate the respected principal for organizing such a nice program. Department. Similarly, when we had the Golden Jubilee function, again, I had a very good opportunity because my student and a staff member of the ENT department at that time, she was the Minister of Health and she was the chief guest. And similarly also the teachers were felicitated, but the function was limited. But now I find it is 75, not a joke. Every department is organizing the function and I must congratulate. At the same time, welcome, and I hope, I mean, all the alumni of this institute at the last function will meet together and will discuss about some of the achievements that this medical college has done. Well, friends, Tamoso Ma Jyotirgamaya is really a fact. This eye department started absolutely in darkness. When we were students, say, even till 1950, we had almost no department at all. We had a teacher, that is Lieutenant Colonel P. Papatrao, who came from Madras, he's a retired professor, and I was the house surgeon then. So we were the only two people, and we started the department. Then Professor Mahendra Mishra, he came from abroad. He was the assistant professor of physiology and at the same time assistant professor of ophthalmology also. And then he became the professor and Papatrao became the director of health services. So Dr. Mahendra Mishra and myself were the only two in the department. The department outdoor was a very small room where this medical school, there was a school for the children somewhere in front of that lady students hostel. And we had a dark room in the main building. So he was sitting in the outdoor, I was in the dark room, or I was in the outdoor, or she was in the dark room. So that is how the department started. And from there, gradually things improved and you see the light of the day today. But I can very proudly say that this medical college, the Department of Ophthalmology in particular, is in no way inferior to any other institute or department in our country. I have seen in different capacities, departments, both in the south as well as in the north, as well as in the west. I have been an examiner also several times in the RP Center of Ophthalmic Sciences for postgraduate degree. I have been an inspector of the Indian Medical Council. I have been a member of the ICMR scientific committee. I have been a member of the WHO consultation committee. And I have seen many of the institutes and the Department of Ophthalmology. I will tell you one instance. During one of our postgraduate examinations, we had an examiner from Delhi, and he told me after the examination that your standard is very high here. And I actually appreciate that your idea of the postgraduate study. Well, from then onwards, we are doing every advanced technique in ophthalmology. I still remember when I was the DMET, the first thing started was your intraocular implant lens. A workshop was organized in Bombay, in one of the medical institutions. And then I said that Professor Padhi from Barampur Medical College and Professor Tondidas from SCV Medical College to attend the workshop. And I myself also will accompany them. Then the ministry, the health minister as well as the health secretary asked me that, yes, let them go, but why should you go? Then I said, as a teacher, I also want to learn something about this advanced technique, because today I'm the DMET, but after 2 years, again, I will go back to my profession. So I cannot forget and forgive my ophthalmic profession. So I accompanied them, and there was also another assistant surgeon from the Capital Hospital. I learned the art of intraocular implant, and then you know the benefits. Professor Padhi and Chandidas, they have started the IOL operations, and now you have gone to the most advanced stage of this operation. So also there are many of my colleagues I see, Dr. Professor Namahanti I see, and my cousin H. Rajguru also I see, and everyone has some contribution or other to the development. Dr. B.K. Tripathi, when he came from All India Institute with his postgraduate degree, I said, start the contact lens. We had also an eye bank with the help of the Guru Nanak Foundation. They wanted to do on their 500th birthday of Guru Nanak to celebrate 500 cornea grafts. They selected our institution, brought 2 doctors from England, but unfortunately there was no cornea available. But they donated and we started the bank. Well, there are many things we can talk, but what I feel today is that all our achievements and the way the ophthalmology profession has grown in our state is commendable. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now I kindly request our distinguished guests to please take their seat amongst the audience. I request Professor Dr. Subhabrata Parida and Professor Dr. Subrat Behra sir to continue the felicitation ceremony. Next we have Professor Dr. K.C. Padhi. Professor Padhi undertook the task of setting up retina services and encouraged many youngsters to take up this super specialty. Next, Dr. Brike Tripathi, an alumni of RP Center of Ophthalmology, AIMS, New Delhi. Dr. Tripathi has interest in keratoplasty, eye banking, and contact lens services during his tenure at SCB. Professor Dr. B.K. Jena, a very calm, dignified, soft-spoken personality who conducted himself with dignity and discharged his duty in the best possible manners. Dr. P.K. Mahanti, next, Dr. P.K. Mahanti. Besides being an expert in the field of glaucoma, he is well known for his contribution towards community ophthalmology through camps and performing cataract surgery in very swift and successful manner. Next, we have with us Dr. Snehalata Mishra, a dedicated, sincere worker, with an affectionate demeanor. She has a special interest in retina and work toward it. Professor Dr. Madhumati Mishra, a pioneer of neuro-ophthalmology in this state. She has produced many acclaimed research publications. Professor Dr. H.K. Rajguru, well known and liked for his punctuality and strict discipline approach to manage affairs of the department. He is also actively involved with the Ophthalmology State Society. Professor Dr. P.K. Nanda, he is well known for his work in keratoplasty, loved by all his PG students for his affectionate guidance and all-round management of all staff and activities of the department.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. To understand the journey of our department, It's important to know how we started, what challenges we overcame, and how we reached to the point where we are today, and what future aspirations we have. Here is a small presentation on the past, present, and future of the Department of Ophthalmology. I request Dr. Balakrishna Samantrai, the resource person of our department, to kindly take over.
Yes, Shukran. Good evening, all. I feel privileged to present before you all the journey of Regional Institute of Ophthalmology of SC Medical College through its past, present, and future perspective. The eye department of SCB Medical College was founded in 1946 by Lieutenant Colonel Professor P. Papatla. In those times, the department had only two buildings, two rooms, one small OPD, one dark room, being managed by Professor Papatla and Professor Mahendra Chandra Mishra alternatively. Subsequently, it was strengthened by addition of joining of Professor Vishwambhar Rajguru, who became head of the department in 1968. Odisha State Ophthalmic Society was formed in 1959. It is the oldest society of any medical fraternity in Odisha. The first ever Odisha State Ophthalmic Conference was held in SCB in 1959 when Professor Rajguru was the head of the department. SCB had organized the state conferences, Asia conferences, Eastern Zonal conferences several times, and All India conferences twice. The first ever eye bank of Odisha was established around 1980. It was named Guru Nanak Eye Bank. In those times too, several corneal transplantations were being performed, and while the in charge was Professor Bimal Kanta Tripathi. Coming to the history of Pressure Building, our Pressure Building was conceptualized by the then Chief Minister, late Biju Patnaik ji, by proposal of Professor K.C. Padhi, when Professor Padhi had operated, wife of Sri Patnaik ji. One 4-storied building was granted with additional 91-bedded indoor hospital behind the present building, which currently houses the ENT department. The completion of the building was in April 2001, and it was inaugurated by the Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Sri Nabin Patnaik ji, in 2002. As a matter of pride, our department was recognized as Regional Institute of Ophthalmology in 2012, when Professor Madhumati Mishra was the head of the department. Since then till now, the Regional Institute of Ophthalmology has been a center of excellence and a pioneer in eye care, providing eye care facility to the people of state of Odisha. Ophthalmology practice has evolved quite a lot in last 3 decades, from torchlight examination to slit lamp biomicroscopy, from manual refraction and retinoscopy to autorefractometry, from direct ophthalmoscope to indirect ophthalmoscope, and many more. Refraction has evolved through spectacles, contact lenses, refractive surgery, and phakic intraocular lenses, which had led the persons with high refractive errors virtually spectacle free. Our diagnostic clinic is fully equipped with all basic and advanced equipments for comprehensive eye examination. It has IOL master and biometry for cataract, digital slit lamps with video recording for anti-segments, YAG lasers, and many more. We have subspecialty clinic in retina, glaucoma, cornea, oculoplasty, pediatric ophthalmology, and fully trained faculties in each field. We have a state-of-the-art vitreoretinal clinic, which was founded by Professor K.C. Padhi, whose contribution to the establishment of subspecialty clinics in our department is really praiseworthy. It is currently headed by our HOD Professor Suhabrata Parida. We have the facility of fundus camera for posterior segment imaging, green laser for photocoagulation of different retinal diseases. We have B-scan and UBM. Our glaucoma clinic is currently headed by Professor Sumita Mahapatra with facilities of applanation tonometry, fund disc evaluation, gonioscopy, and NCT with pachymetry and many more. Retinopathy of prematurity is a blinding disease of newborn infants. The screening and management of retinopathy of prematurity in SCB, SNCU, and Sishu Bhavan is done 3 days a week by 3 trained faculties. We screen at the bedside. To our advantage, we have RedCam for photo documentation and teleophthalmology. We treat the babies with laser and injection of intravitreal anti-VEGF at the bedside itself. We have also low vision clinics and rehabilitation running twice a week. Our operation OT complex has 5 OTs, 1 dedicated intersegment OT, fully equipped vitreoretinal OT, 2 septic and trauma OT, and 1 GA OT running every day. Cataract surgery then and cataract surgery now, it has evolved quite a lot. In those times, under magnifying loops to now under advanced microscope with topical phacoemulsification. In contrast to week-long hospital stay in those times, the cataract surgery today has the fastest post-operative visual recovery and mobilization. We have a state-of-the-art vitreoretinal OT. We have Zeiss Lumia 700 Constellation with endolaser, which is the best of its kind globally available with us. All sorts of complex retinal surgery, including intravitreal injections of ranibizumab, are performed. All type of oculoplastic surgeries and squint surgeries with excellent outcome are performed here. Coming to academics, the students are the pearls of our department. We have 9 postgraduate students each year and 20 paramedical ophthalmic assistant and ophthalmic surgical assistant students in each year. We have organized several CMEs and workshops in the COVID and post-COVID era too. In our first offline CME, we have felicitated veteran ophthalmologists. On behalf of Platinum Jubilee celebration, we had organized several online CMEs, pre-Platinum Jubilee CMEs on ocular trauma, posterior segment diseases, intersegment diseases, retina, where SCB alumni of national and international repute had their presentations. We had also organized several wet labs and FACO workshops for postgraduate learnings. We give our efforts to maximize and the perfection in the learning of the postgraduates and residents. We have also participated in interdepartmental CMEs. We had 40 publications in peer-reviewed journal in last 5 years, and we have 6 extramural global projects in place. As a matter of pride, worth mentionable, our Regional Institute of Ophthalmology has been nominated by Government of India as a training institute for short-term fellowship in all subspecialty, and the first medical retina trainee is going to join in 1st of November from Port Blair. Not only in academics, but we never lag behind in organizing meetings, functions, outings, picnics, festivals, and team efforts. In our future, we want our RIO to be at par of the apex RIO of the country, RP Center aims, and for that we need advanced infrastructure and advanced equipments. We look forward to have a digital library and EMR for enhancing research and publications. We want a modular OT, which is very shortly going to be available with us by the government of Odisha. We want a separate seminar room with direct relay from the war. We want simulator for resident learning and perfection in their surgery. Together, we march forward with an aim and objective to cater basic and advanced eye care facility to the people of Odisha and to prevent blindness. Long live RIO. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Now we are all set to begin our spectacular cultural event, Platinum Opia 2021. Every woman who awakens courage within herself is Durga. Every woman who awakens transformation in herself is Kali. Every woman who awakens devotion within herself is Parvati. Every woman is Shakti, celebrating the goddess within with the message of woman empowerment. Our resident shall start with the first performance of the evening, the Durga Tandav.
विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द शिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते
ऐगिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्य शिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठ कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरमर्षिणि दुर्धरधर्षिणि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करदोषिणि किल्बिषमोषिणि घोषरते तनुजनिरोषिणि दिविसुतदोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
Give a huge round of applause for this powerful performance. Music speaks what words can't express. It soothes the mind and heals the heart. It flows from heaven to the soul. To give us such an enthralling experience, our boys bring to you the broken strings, tunes of love, pain, and remembrance. We have Dr. Subhadeep on guitar and vocals by Dr. Tanmay and Dr. Subrajyoti. So open your mind, close your eyes, and let music take over your soul.
आओगे न फोन पे बुलाओगे न शाम की करारी चाय लबों से यूं पिलाओगे आए हो न आओगे न दिन ढले बताओगे न रात की नशीली बाय से नींद में जगाओगे गए हो क्यों रात बाकी है गए हो क्यों साथ बाकी है तुम गए हम थम गए हर बात बाकी है गए क्यों
What a soulful performance. Being the colorful nation that India is, the Harvest Festival are joyous and vibrant. They are as incredible, as diverse as its people. To let you enjoy the beauty of Indian culture, here is an amalgamation of dance forms which are inspired from different regions of India. Bihu from East, dance form from South, Lavani from West, Bhangra from North India, presenting funky fusion beats, celebrating incredible India.
हवा के झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए, गुलों की शोखियाँ जो घबरे आके लूट गए। बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल जरा, इसी बहाने क्यों न मैं भी दिल का हाल जरा सवार लूं, सवार लूं, सवार लूं, सवार लूं। हवा के झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए, गुलों की शोखियाँ जो घबरे आके लूट गए। बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल जरा, इसी बहाने क्यों न मैं भी दिल का हाल जरा सवार लूं, सवार लूं, सवार लूं, सवार लूं।
ചിലരുടെ തോന്നുകീറി പോയ കാര്യം ഓർത്തുപോകവേ അലകൾ കാറ്റിനൊരി കാതും താൻ പാടുവിടേണ്ട സടജയ സേനാപതി വീര കമൽ എന്ന പങ്ക കൊണ്ടുപോലെ എന്ന പങ്ക താണ്ടി കുട്ടി എന്റെ കുറിച്ച് കമൽ എന്ന പങ്ക കൊണ്ടുപോലെ എന്ന പങ്ക താണ്ടി കുട്ടി എന്റെ കുറിച്ച് सजी धजी देखो मेरे पिया की सहारी जिया से बाहरी मेरे अंगना में देखो आज खिला है चांद गिला जो फूल छम छम चमकते चांद गिला जो फूल छम छम चमकते चांद गिला जो फूल छम छम चमकते चांद
हो मारे यहाँ कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज ऐसे है चाहे वैसे है, अरे जो भी है जैसे है तुम पे हम नाज जाने ना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आजमाना, यार बात हम जान साज हम इश्क बात बुलवाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छूटे दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, निकले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के सबके छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के सबके छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
Incredible indeed. Let's have an incredible applause too. Colors are the smiles of nature. To be able to see color and distinguish them is one of the biggest gifts that God has given us. An ophthalmologist tries to help maintain this gift of light and colors. We use colors to diagnose and treat as well. Be it an OCT, corneal topography, angiography, or depiction of a corneal ulcer, colors aid us in every way. Celebrating this spirit, it is now our faculties on the ramp, donning the 7 colors of the rainbow. So hold your breaths and witness Vibgyor, the bright and beautiful walk. Our showstopper with our star designer, Mahendra Baral.
Wow, graceful and splendid performance. Moving ahead. Aankhein, Naina, Nazre. Eyes seem to be the favorite poet's muse. Eyes have caught the fancy of many musicians and singers for decades. To acknowledge this obsession of Bollywood with eyes, we present a medley of dance performance based on the songs about eyes, presenting Drishyam 3.0.
मेरा चैन रैन रैन अपने साथ ले
चीटी बजाए सड़क ओ करके इशारा ओ लड़की ओ लड़की मारे आँख मारे ओ लड़की आँख मारे आँख मारे ओ लड़की आँख मारे
तुषार कपूर की आवाज में कुमार सानू की आवाज में
लड़की वाले जब लड़कों के दिलों में तू आग लगा दे बेबी फायर नकली से न करे तू करे जब देखे हमें झूठी लायर काला काला चश्मा जचता तेरे मुखड़े पे जैसे काला दिल जचता है तेरे चिन पे अपनी अदाओं से ज्यादा नहीं तो 10-12 लड़के तो मार ही देती होगी तू दिन में
जैसे छत्तीस फिरते हैं मेरे वर्गी और न होनी वे वर्गी और न होनी वर्गी और न होनी तू मुझका बिल्कुल देसी है मैं कितनी ना तो सोनी मेरे सुन के तेरे दुखने मैनू काला चश्मा मैनू काला 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 मैनू काला चश्मा जच जाए गोरे मुखड़े मैनू काला चश्मा जच जाए गोरे मुखड़े जच जाए गोरे मुखड़े
So hi all, we have almost come to an end. Before we say bye, I will request some of our senior professors on the front row to share their experiences of this evening. So first I will request Professor K.C. Padhi to say something. Someone give mic to the sir. Subhadeep, give mic to sir. Sachi Babu. Professor K.C. Padhi. Malaya, go and help.
My professional colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, this is a joyous moment for us. 1960, I got into this medical college. We were recruited through an interview. Only question being asked, which college you want to join, Burla or Cuttack? I told any college. They gave me SCB Medical College. I became proud to become a SCBN, and I continue to be proud. Now, as regards my post-graduation, we had to apply 4 subjects. I got ophthalmology. The very first day I joined, there was a beautiful seminar on shallow anterior chamber. I was moved by it. I thought this is the only department which imparts education. Now, ophthalmology I have enjoyed. It is a rational science, no ambiguity. There may not be any financial reward, but it has got an immense satisfaction. During my tenure, I got the affection and the confidence of my professor. That is my strength. It has brought me to this day. Thank you very much. But I want eye department to prosper. The working system should change. The space should be available adequately, and the academical activities should be to the maximum. All teachers, all faculty members should get involved in teaching, thereby the profession can improve. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now I request Professor P.K. Mohanty to say a few words.
The dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, all the students. I just have no words to say. It's magnificent. I never imagined that they'll be performing so well. It has been a wonderful thing. I congratulate all the staff of SCBI department and everybody in SCB Medical College. I'm proud of this institute. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now I request Professor H.K. Rajguru to say a few words.
ଆଜି ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାର ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ସମସ୍ତ ଦର୍ଶକ ବନ୍ଧୁ ଏବଂ ସୁଧୀବୃନ୍ଦ ଆଜିର କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ମୋର ଆଖି ଖୋଲି ଦେଇଛି ଯେ ଚକ୍ଷୁ ବିଶେଷଜ୍ଞ ମାନେ କେବଳ କାଟାର୍ଡ ସର୍ଜରୀ କିମ୍ବା ଚକ୍ଷୁ ଚିକିତ୍ସା ଶିବିରରେ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ କରିପାରନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ ତାଙ୍କର ମଧ୍ୟ ନାଚ ଗୀତ ହଉ କିମ୍ବା ଅନ୍ୟ ଯେକୌଣସି ପରିସ୍ଥିତିରେ ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରକାର କଲେ ତା ଯେକୌଣସି ପ୍ରଫେସନାଲ ମାନଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ ମଧ୍ୟ କିଛି କମ ନୁହଁ ମୁଁ ଯଦିଓ MKCG ମେଡିକାଲ କଲେଜର ଛାତ୍ର ରହିଛି ସେ ଛାତ୍ର ସମୟରୁ ମନରେ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଥିଲା ଯେ କେମିତି ବଡ଼ ମେଡିକାଲ ସହିତ କୌଣସି ପ୍ରକାର ସମ୍ପୃକ୍ତି ହେଇପାରିବ ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ସମୟରେ ଦୀର୍ଘ 19 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ 1988 ମସିହାରେ ଏଠାରେ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ କରିବାର ସୁଯୋଗ ମିଳିଥିଲା ଏବଂ ଅବସର ଗ୍ରହଣ ମଧ୍ୟ ମୁଁ କରିଥିଲି ବିଭାଗୀୟ ମୁଖ୍ୟ ହିସାବରେ ଏବଂ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ବଡ଼ ମେଡିକାଲରେ କାମ କରିବାର ଯୋଉ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଆଗ୍ରହ ଥିଲା ତା ସଫଳ ହେଇଛି ଏବଂ ମୋର ଏ ସମସ୍ତ ଆଜିକାର ଯୋଉମାନେ ଏଠାରେ ପ୍ରଦର୍ଶନ କଲେ ତାଙ୍କର ନୃତ୍ୟ ଗୀତ ଏବଂ ସମସ୍ତେ ମୋର ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀ ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଗୌରବାନ୍ୱିତ ମନେ କରୁଛି ଯେ କେବଳ ଅଫଥଲମୋଲୋଜି ନୁହଁ ଅନ୍ୟ ବିଷୟରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେମାନେ ଏତେ ସୁନ୍ଦର କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ କରିପାରିଲେ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ
Thank you so much, sir. We have just 2 minutes. Please bear with us. I hand over the mic to our anchor, Dr. Arpita and Dr. Shraddha.
Thank you, ma'am. To have a perfect ending to our nearly perfect evening, we now have a melody to touch our heartstrings and bid adieu to a splendid gathering. Presenting our very own nightingales, Dr. Aparajita and Dr. Suchismita. Thank you, everyone. We come to the end of a beautiful and memorable evening. I request Professor Dr. Sumita Mahapatra to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good evening, everyone. All good things must come to an end. We have come to the concluding part of the 75/75 cultural program of the Department of Ophthalmology. On behalf of our department, I feel immense pleasure to propose the vote of thanks. I want to express my sincere gratitude to our respected Dean and Principal, Professor Datteswar Hota sir, for being the guiding force behind this. The 75/75 program to celebrate the Platinum Jubilee of SCB Medical College is his brainchild. His idea of combining academic with cultural activities has been a great success. I extend my heartfelt thanks to our chief guest, Professor Viswambar Rajguru sir, who has shaped the future for generations of ophthalmologists. In fact, almost all the dignitaries present here are his student only. I'm extremely thankful to our guest of honor, Professor Subrat Behera sir, who could find time for his busy schedule to grace this occasion with his valuable presence. I express my deep gratitude to our dignitaries who have guided and motivated us to teach stays where we are today. A special mention to HOD Professor Subhabrata Parida, who has worked tirelessly to make this event a grand success. Big thanks to all the participants whose enthusiasm and hard work could make today's event spectacular. And our special thanks to the anchors for conducting the event smoothly. I'm extremely thankful to the audience who are present here and who are watching this online to encourage us. I also want to thank the people behind the scene who made this event possible, like our technical team, decoration and lighting arrangement team, who were flawless in their execution. I also want to thank the press and media for being present and supporting us. Let me thank Mr. Prabhat Rana and Mr. Jyoti for directing the cultural event. In the end, we, the Department of Ophthalmology, extend our sincere, heartfelt gratitude to you all who graced this occasion for your presence, support, and hope you have enjoyed this evening. Thank you. Good night to all.